Hi everyone! Today I would like to show you how to make Chinese steamed egg, also called water egg. This is a traditional Chinese dish found all over China. Eggs are beaten to a consistency similar to that used for an omelette and then mixed with certain amount of water and steamed. The egg should be steamed until it's just firm so that the texture of the egg is still smooth and silky. Let me first prepare the egg mixture. I used 3 eggs today. So beat the egg first. Make sure you beat it very well. You can use a whisk to whisk it. Get rid of this. So the egg will be very smooth and silky without this foam. Then add about half teaspoon salt. Add some water. The ratio between water and the egg should be 1 and 1.5. So I mix them well. Make sure there's no bubble. If it's a bubble, when the egg mixture steams, there will be lots of bubble on the top, which doesn't look good. So take the bubble out of. If you still have some bubble, use just a kitchen towel to break it. So the egg mixture is done. Now the egg mixture is prepared. It's smoothie and consistent. We're going to put this egg mixture into a container so we can steam them. Okay, now The egg mixture is ready. Steamer and steam them. After we pour the egg mixture into these 2 containers, I saw some bubbles. I will break down the bubble. Ready to steam the Chinese egg. I turn on the high heat. When the water is boiling, I will turn the heat to medium. Now it's about 8 minutes. Let me check. Ooh. Looks good, but still liquid in the middle, you can see. So we will add maybe 3 more minutes. At this time, I like to add a little bit Goji Berry. Goji Berry in one dose. Then I will add shrimp, this. So keep steam another couple minutes. Once the egg is firm, then it's done. It's about another 3 minutes. I think it's done. Turn off the heat. Wow. Look how pretty. Add a little bit spring onion. If you like, add a little bit of light soy sauce. Little sesame oil, give a little bit of fragrance. So pretty. Look at this. It's silky and smooth, very tender, and it's delicious. You don't need to add shrimp or goji berry like I did. I just tried to add different flavor. Look how great it is. It's smoothie. It's silky. Let me try one.
It melts into your mouth. This is really popular dish when I was little. When I was sick, I don't want to eat something, I will eat this instead. It's delicious.
Hope you can try this silky smooth, easy digesting Chinese steamed egg at home. If you like my video, please click the like button down below and share with your friend. Also subscribe to my channel with notification, then whenever I have a new video upload, you will be notified. Thank you for watching and enjoy.